First off, consider a question. So ask them a question. It's going to stand out in the inbox. Okay. That's number one. Would you consider yourself a fashionista, or would you consider yourself fashionable? Something like that. If you ask a question like that, where they can now self-select, there's this psychology behind it where they're like, I do consider myself a fashionable or a fashionista. Do you consider yourself fashionable? Click and see what we've got for you. Something like that. So that's one, asking a question. Number two, try to incorporate the word you or your, the second person. That's one of the most important words in marketing. And when people are looking through their subject lines in their inbox, if something is speaking out to them, even better. Number three, and of course, some of your emails might have first name from your Etsy imports. Some of them won't. So number three, you can use a custom greeting or a first name tag. And then if you don't have it, you just don't use it. But you could say like, do you consider yourself fashionable blank, whatever their name is, and then a question mark. If their name isn't there, so whatever email program you're using, if their name doesn't exist, then it will just cancel out that and it'll just have a little space before the question mark. You've probably seen that before, but try to use their first name in the subject line every once in a while.
Even on the subject line, not on the body. Yeah.
Even on the subject line, because right now, everybody is an egotist to a certain level. And if you're mentioning my name, then I have more skin in it. We've already established a rapport, or you're like, hey, do you remember me? Or do you remember what you bought on Cozy Details or whatever, Bryan? Oh, wow. Okay. Now you're talking to me. So that's another one. If you can't do it, that's fine. Depending on the platform, some of them do allow that. The other one is if you can do a quick video. And I think you have a couple of videos as well, don't you? Some of your slideshows of products.
Yeah.
Yep.
Products, yeah.
So what you do is one of the subject lines, you do the little staples or, something like parens or whatever, and you say video, put the word video in the subject line. From research, it's been found that can boost your open rate by 18% or more because people love videos. Yeah. And then what you do is you embed the video in the email. So you have a thumbnail and then it clicks to what I would do is take your video, put it on a page, like a category page on Shopify, whatever it is, bracelets, necklaces, whatever. And then you're going to pop that right at the top. You're going to have people, they're going to see a thumbnail when they open the email, click on it. They're brought right to that category page with the video right there. So now not only have you delivered the video, you're putting them on your Shopify page where they can buy those products below.
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yes, totally.
Okay. So,
but you say like the category would have the video instead of...
It could be a catalog page. It could be a product page. Yeah, anything.
Yeah, and a product page, yeah.
Yep. Even if you have a video of your new bracelet or ring or something, and you create something really quick and pop it onto that product page, obviously in moderation, every email subject line shouldn't say video, but every once in a while you can see a spike. And of course, fear of missing out. So the other thing is FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't miss this great sale, or we just launched a new product. You want a sneak peek? So those types of things make them feel exclusive, like they're in something or they're going to miss out if they don't get on it. Hey, we have a limited edition of our latest creation. Check it out. So those things too can induce a higher open rate. And just to explain, open rates, obviously it's a vanity metric. We want people to open it. But for you, it's also an engagement metric. That means people are seeing your emails and they're like, okay, Cozy Details, let me go in and open their email. The big thing though, is some of the other best practices I just gave you, putting the buttons in, making every image link, and making sure that we're walking them through this process to click. If you can get them to click and make that micro commitment to do something with Cozy Details, then you're one step closer to the sale.